Welcome to Fort Santiago. Fort Santiago, built of Guadalupe volcanic tuff by Governor Gomez Perez, Dasmariñas, 1590 to 1593, in place of the wooden palisade of Raha Matanda. Welcome, Shrine of Jose Rizal, originally built with brick as a military barracks 1593. Site of the prison cell of national hero martyr Jose Rizal, charged by colonial authorities with rebellion, sedition, and formation of illegal societies, November 3 to December 29, 1896. Destroyed during the Second War, partially reconstructed and dedicated as a shrine to Rizal, 1952 to 1953. Rizal was imprisoned in this cell, previously a cuarto de repuesto or storage for military supplies and equipment. The room was converted to be Rizal's cell. At the far end of the room was a locked door, which was opened only after Rizal was read his debts. Sentenced on December 29, 1896. In this room, with a view, Rizal received his visitors and wrote his letters during incarceration. Here, on 29 December 1896, at 6 o'clock a.m., Captain Rafael Dominguez, the special judge, advocate of the Council of War, read the death sentence to Rizal. Rizal was an artist. He drew, painted, and sculpted. In his travels, he sketched landscape and people. He studied the Philippine dialects and foreign tongues. He was a good poet and writer. His words flowed in his odes, hymns, stories, plays, and novels. In his writings, he promoted the rich culture of pre-Hispanic Filipinos, their legends, and their traditions. The court decrees that it ought to condemn and thus condemn Jose Rizal to death. Should pardon be granted, this sentence implies the following accessory penalties which must take effect unless explicitly remitted, to wit, absolute and perpetual deprivation of civil rights and liability to surveillance by the authorities for life, and the payment of indemnity to the state in the amount of 100,000 pesos, the obligation to pay such indemnity being transmissible to the heirs of accused. Matapos mahatulan ng kamatayan, dinala siya sa Luneta Park para doon barilin.